Hey guys, so right now we are in MANAUS. Dad and we are in the zoo. We are where?
At the zoo.
In the zoo. We're gonna see animals. And now it's getting raining, so it's really nice. Exactly. It's MANAUS. It's always raining here anyway. But it's pretty cool. In the zoo there's no one except us. So that's pretty awesome. And the animals. Any animals. Yeah. Don't forget the animals. Of course. Idiot. But so in this institute, there are the animals are here because they are injured. Yeah, they're not in like they didn't take them just for like selling. Yeah. Because they're injured. Yeah, exactly. And they're trying to save them. I don't understand Portuguese, but it's fine. Oh yeah, that's true. But they're trying to and they're keeping them when they're not able to go back in the forest because they won't survive. So that's pretty cool. Right now there's monkeys right there. Yeah. Anyway, and one here. I'm getting wrecked in this video. All right, let's go. Just fuck off. And now we're at this super strong and fabulous waterfall. It's so beautiful. I don't see. Anyway, we're gonna swim it. Yeah, like hello. Wait for the guy. It's awesome. So let's go. Guys, what's up? We're swimming here in the river. Hey guys, so right now we're in the forest, but yeah, last night we saw a nice Amazonian show. And now we're gonna see like
some manatees.
Yeah, manatees is like a sea cow, basically. Yeah. And we're gonna visit some animals here in the forest. We're like in the park, special park. It's pretty cool.
Exactly. Show the.
So yeah.
Here.
So here we go. Of the world, guys.
Yeah, like
Biggest leaf of the world?
big.
Fucking big, right?
Wow.
So right now we're becoming Indian with Ludwig. We have this. Yeah. We have this ceremony to become Indian. You have to do the holy spank. I'm going for it.
For the holy spank, okay?
Yeah.
Holy spank.
Max already has it. He's already Indian now.
I'm already Indian.
I'm going for it.
Okay, guys. Now William is gonna get his ceremony.
Show your ass.
Show your ass.
Your ass, the victim ass.
And now he's gonna get the holy spank.
And one, two. Now.
Get ready for the holy spank.
I got a real holy spank.
Kiss my ass.
Hey guys, now we're continuing our visit of Manaus. Right now we are in front of a theater. Hey Laura!
Oi.
Oi.
Yeah, olha como ela tem cara de responsável. She's really responsible.
Yeah, totally. Of
She
course.
has white hair. Look,
Of course, yeah, blue hair is that's what it means, right?
a person like me.
What's the name of the theater we're going?
Teatro Amazonas.
That's cool.
Let's go to Big Azo. Show her the power. So good.
Hey guys, right now we're in the city. I'm with Max, Christopher, yeah,
And Dariana.
Darian. We're
I'm having my first coconut.
yeah, we're drinking a Coke. We're drinking coconut. It's pretty good as always. And we stopped at a market. It's behind us somewhere. Like, yeah, Max, you're too tall for the camera. And yeah, speaking about it, did some shopping. And now we're gonna do something.
Awesome.
Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so right now I'm with Johnny and Leonardo. We're in our room. And it's our last night in this hotel, this amazing hotel, by the way. It's the pretty hotel. So after the market, actually we just went back to the hotel. We played a game of football and of volleyball. It was pretty cool. And right now we're packing because tomorrow we are going actually on a boat. We're gonna sleep on a boat in hammocks. That's gonna be pretty cool. And we're gonna go through the Amazon River with these boats. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And that's gonna be in the next video. So that's pretty much the end for this video today. So ciao guys. See you later.